I am going to show you how I was able to get 40,000 subscribers on this particular channel in just few months. This thing that I'm about to show you now is very, very important, and I'm going to show you the 5 strategies that I use. And if you're watching this video now, go to the comment section and tell me congratulations, because I cannot achieve this milestone without you guys. Your love and your support made me to reach this particular stage that I am now on this particular channel, and I am hoping to have more subscribers in time to come. Now I want to show you the 5 strategies that I adopted, and you can equally try it out, and it's definitely going to work for you. As you all know, I am not gatekeeping on this channel because everything I do is practical. So I want to show you the first video I posted on this particular channel and the breakout video of this particular channel. I want to compare something and use it to make you understand how YouTube actually works. So this is my channel, and I have 104 videos as at the time I was making this video. So I've now posted up to 60 long form videos here. You know, this 104 is a combination of short form videos and long form videos. So now I want to go to my YouTube studio and show you the analytics of my first video here. Can you see it? 10 months ago. So this is the first video I posted on this channel when it comes to the time I was showing my face, how I monetized my channel in 30 days. The channel I'm talking about is this particular channel. I monetized this channel with a faceless content before I started showing my face, and that time it was about 1.2k subscribers before I started showing my face and sharing my experience about YouTube. So this is the first video. For people that are saying I don't have views on my channel is not growing, is not getting views, is a general something. Now if you click on analytics of this particular video, then you go to first 24 hours. First 24 hours, 13 views. After 1 day, 13 views. Now let us now go to 7 days. 7 days later, 16 views. After 1 week, I posted my first video. Like this, actually the first video of me showing my face, 16 views. You know, then 28 days later, 1 month, 76 views. Not even up to 80 or 100 views after 1 month. I did not stop there. I keep on posting videos. Now I want to show you my breakout video, the first video that started giving me enough views. Remember when I posted that video November 1st 2024? So I didn't stop there. I keep on posting. That my breakout video is also my most viewed video right now. So let me quickly go to most viewed video. If you go to most viewed video, you will see this particular video, how to upload video the right way. January 19th, that is when I posted this particular video that started giving me more views and more subscribers. So if you go to the analytics of this video, you click on it, then you go to first 24 hours, you will see the first 24 hours is 43 views. Towards ending of January to February, that is when I started having views. Now look at after 28 days, 30k views. That is when I noticed that the channel has clicked. So now this video has accumulated 256k views. All right, and it is my most viewed video for now. Between that February, people start going back to watch my old videos. Now let us go back to that oldest one. I want to show you something. So if you go back to that one, you will notice that this particular video started having views from February. Now look at February 8, 200 views, 221 views. February 19, 351 views, and so on. And the video is still growing. So what am I trying to say with this explanation? If you post your first video, your possibility of having low views or no views is very, very high because your channel is still new. But you have to keep posting. When your channel start having views, people will still come back and watch those old videos. So it's not waste of time or resources or energy. I don't know if you're getting me. So that is the method you are going to adopt. Learn how to grow with patience. If you post, you relax, before you know it, you will start having views. The second strategy that I adopt that made me grow so fast on YouTube is my thumbnail design and my thumbnail pattern. If you check my oldest video, most of my oldest video, I have to go and change their thumbnail because when I started, I was posting random thumbnails. I was doing different thumbnails until I started noticing that this particular thumbnail is giving me a lot of views. If you watch, I'm showing my face, pointing, either I'm pointing out something or I'm smiling. You know, I have unique style of positioning my thumbnail, so that even if somebody is scrolling on YouTube and they come across my thumbnail, it will be easier for them to identify or notice that this is Jazzy Studios. I don't know if you're getting me. So that alone will make them click on my video and start watching. So all those things is not a coincidence. It is a strategic move that made me grow so fast on YouTube. Even if you give me a channel now of 0 subscribers, just give me a few months, you will still see it in thousands of subscribers, because this is what I've been doing over and over again, and I know how it works. So the blueprint is what I'm going to give you now. I've given you number 1 and number 2. The first one is, if you post your video, you relax and watch it grow. Even if your first video did not have views, it's normal. When you start having views, your subscribers will still go back and watch your old videos. Then number 2 is, be strategic in your thumbnail. Make it very, very simple, so that anybody that is watching your video, if they come across it in any way, they will know that this is your thumbnail. I don't know if you're getting my point. So number 3 is, I post consistently but not daily. So I am going to break this down, because this is very, very important, so you won't make mistake as somebody that is building your channel. What I mean by I post consistently but not daily is very simple. Many people think that posting daily is posting consistently. No, posting daily in some channels can be consistency, while posting daily in some channels is not consistency. Now I'm going to explain. If you're into entertainment and trending niche, that is the only time you can be posting daily, sometimes 2 times in a day. Do you get my point? Because people want to see what is happening, what is trending. So if you are somebody that is very, very good with giving trending gist, you can be posting every day. Your subscribers cannot get tired of it, because they love to see what is happening on a daily basis. But for educational channels that you are imparting knowledge on people, I don't think it is a wise decision for you to post every day, because people are learning. People are trying to learn something, apply it, see if it's working or if it's not working, come back, give testimony or criticize that particular knowledge you shared. So if you keep on dishing out content every blessed day without checking if your subscribers are learning or if they're actually understanding the tips you are giving, at some point they will be bored and tired of that particular content, because the tips you shared with them have to sink first before they will learn another one. So I understood all these things before I started posting on my channel. Even schools go on break so that the students can refresh and come back. So it is always like that. So I understand that educational content is something that I have to impart my knowledge, because I wouldn't want to produce quantity over quality. So I prioritize quality videos over quantity. That is why I chose not to post every day. It was very, very strategic, and it helped me a lot to dish out quality contents and made me to have more subscribers that are following me. So that is another strategy that I used. So if you want to adopt this strategy, first of all, make sure that you understand your content first. If your content is something that you can post every day without you getting tired of uploading, you can carry on with it. But if it's a content that need quality time for you to compose the video and bring out a good video, then take your time and create the video. There is no format or formula to how many times you are going to post on YouTube to go viral. There is no format or formula for that. It is only you, the creator, that have to study your channel and know what your audience wants, then you give it to them. That is another strategy that helped me grow so fast on YouTube. Number 4 is understanding the content my audience wants at the particular time. When I started this channel, I was posting randomly, though I was posting related topics, but I was still posting randomly, trying different topics for me to understand what they actually want. Because that time the trends tab have not appeared on my channel yet, because I don't have enough data for YouTube to understand the kind of content I will be posting or what people are searching regarding my content. So I was posting randomly but related content. From there, I started having subscribers, I started having views, and the trend tab now helped me a lot. If I've not made a video about this trend tab, I have made like 3 videos talking about trend tab. Is a feature on YouTube that allows you to see the particular topic your audience are looking for, make a video around it and give it to them. You will see you will have enough views on that particular video. This is the trend tab that I'm talking about. If you click on analytics, your YouTube studio using mobile app or desktop, if you click on analytics, you will see trends. Then under this trend now, you see top searches, how to upload videos on YouTube. People are searching it now, and I've already made a video about it. If I've not made a video about it, this is the right time, another right time to make that particular topic, and it will grow. This one is how to delete YouTube channel, and finally how to monetize YouTube channel fast. If I make a content within these particular topics now, they are going to grow, they are going to run, because it is what my audience are searching. But the time I started this channel new, this trend tab don't appear on my channel. So if you're watching this video now and YouTube is not recommending any top searches for you on your trend tab, just know that YouTube have not understood what your channel is all about. You still need to niche down for them to understand what your channel is all about before they start bringing the trend tabs for you. So this is the fourth strategy that I adopt that made me grow so fast on YouTube. So post strategically. Even if you are posting randomly, be strategic about it. So the fifth strategy that I adopt that made me grow so fast on YouTube is engaging with my audience. I did not just build subscribers, I built a community, and I'm going to show you the proof. If you go to my channel, you go to post. So this is my community. Aside the fact that I post quality content, I still have to engage my audience. If I post any video and somebody drop a comment, I will like the comment, reply the comment. If someone asks a question on the comment section, I will make sure to answer that question. Though sometimes I might not be able to reply all the comments, but anyone that I come across, be it question or anything, I will make sure to reply those comments. Those things are engagement. Trying to tell YouTube and your subscribers too that it is a human being that is working on this channel and not a robot. You shouldn't just post video and leave. If you post video, you engage with your community. If they ask you questions, you respond to them, you answer them, you pin comments, you do some things on your channel. Sometimes you go live if you are showing your face. Like me now, sometimes I do go live. You talk to your subscribers face to face. All these things will be helping YouTube to recommend your channels to more people. Because how you actually grow on YouTube is by YouTube showing your channel to new visitors. So if you keep engaging, YouTube will be taking your channels to new visitors, and those people will be catching up with your content. So all those things are the way I keep my channel alive, by posting, engaging, posting on my community. I do make sure to update my community. Now, if you watch this particular one 7 days ago, where I thank all my subscribers for making me reach 40,000 subscribers. Now, look at this particular post. This particular post alone got 541 likes and 133 comments. Are you getting my point? If you click on the comments, you will see that I'm replying the comments. All these things are my replies to the comments. You might be seeing this as nothing, but they're actually something, because you'll be saying YouTube is not paying for comments. Now it's only views that are paying. Yes, they're not paying for comments and likes, it's only views. But sometimes the likes, the comments, all those engagements will make YouTube to be sending your videos to more people and will be giving you that views you are looking for. Do you understand me? So these strategies is the blueprint that is behind this particular channel, Jazzy Studios, you are seeing. So go ahead, copy these blueprints and paste on your own channel strategically, and you are going to see a very big change on your channel. This thing I'm telling you is what I used to grow this particular channel you are seeing now, from 0 subscribers to 40,000 subscribers and still counting. So if this video interests you, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and equally share this content to another person. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. You are the part of the 40,000 people that are watching my videos and engaging in my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to go to the comment section and tell me congratulations, because I know very soon you will be the one to testify. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Jazzy and I am a creator for the creators. Do well to follow me in all my social media handles at JazzyNation1. Thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.